Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a very interesting video. The simplest way of cutting down on carbohydrates without feeling like you're missing them from your diet. So if you ever gone on a fitness journey, like you just want to attain that sexy, firm and fit, nice body, you'll hear people telling you stuff like you need to hit the gym and eliminate carbohydrates, stick with the proteins and vitamins and stuff like that. Not very practical, even though it works. Like you can't eliminate carbohydrates from your diet for the rest of your life. So I started doing lots and lots of research on how you can significantly just cut down on the carbohydrates and still stay fit. Maybe you like eating something like oatmeal. Instead of going with a full bowl of oatmeal, you can go with a half portion. Then the other portion, you fill it up with vegetables or fruits. And if you're adding in vegetables, it means you just cook it up for like 5 minutes. Only end up eating a half portion of what you usually eat, and the other half will just be full of vegetables or even fruits. So let's say you like eating pancakes. You can try out a 2-ingredient flour-free pancakes, which includes just bananas and eggs. So you leave out the flour and just go with bananas and eggs. Even though bananas have carbohydrates, still you'll end up eating fewer carbs compared to the regular pancake. And for the lovers of a sandwich, so here's the oldest trick in the carbohydrate cutting book. So instead of going for a regular sandwich, you can go for an open faced sandwich, which is even much prettier with extra healthy toppings. Wow, you've just cut down a lot on your carbohydrate. Lunchtime. This is the time when you're hungry and you just want to grab anything. Instead of your normal portion of carbohydrates on the plate, how about lots of vegetables and then proteins and very little carbohydrates? So you end up consuming lots of vitamins and proteins. So in a nutshell, it doesn't matter what you're eating. Just switch up your plate order. Start by filling half of your plate with vegetables and fruits and your proteins, and let your carbohydrates be the last serving. That way you end up consuming less carbohydrates. So if you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and you can comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do remember to subscribe. And also you can try some of these things, give it a week, 2 or more. Let me know how it works out for you.